Hello, this is Daniel from Ablestar. I hope you've been having a wonderful March. This month we've got a couple of product updates to highlight, including editing scheduled times for an edit, better scanning of your store for broken links, and improved searching for products by collection. Let's get started. My favorite change for this month is the ability to change the time of a scheduled edit. While this seems simple, unfortunately it took us a fair bit of time to implement because of some changes on the back end, but now once you have an edit, you can change the schedule time with just a few clicks. Also, if you want to undo the edit later, you can change that scheduling as well. This should make it a lot faster to run sales if you realize that maybe you set the incorrect time or didn't set the scheduling information correctly. You can use our Ablestar Link Manager app to run a scan of your Shopify store to find broken links in the HTML. We've made several improvements to the way these scans are run, so as the scan is running, you'll see a progress of the scan, which pages are being checked, as well as see the results in real time without having to wait for the scan to complete. Once you see the results, you can quickly go to the web page and figure out where the broken links are and fix those. Hopping back to the bulk product editor, we've also made some improvements when you're searching for products that are in a collection. As you know, it's possible to have multiple collections with the same name, and there can also be collections that are smart collections or manual collections. Now, when you go to search for products by collection, you can type in the name as before, but we'll display an icon indicating if it's a manual or a smart collection. Another thing you can do is paste in the handle to the collection, and that will automatically find the exact collection that you need to identify it if you have another collection with the same name. In addition to these visible changes, we've also been working a lot behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. We performed a major database upgrade this month and updated our apps to use a newer version of the Shopify API. While these changes shouldn't be noticeable for you, they're part of the work we've been putting in to make sure the app stays strong for many years to come. And that's all we have time for this month. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to try out one of our apps, you can find them on the Shopify App Store, and our support team is standing by 24/7 if you need assistance. Have a great day.